This is just a sample of the training available at itdvds.com. To see complete training, please go to itdvds.com. Let's begin the sample. So let's take a look at the containers we have running on this particular container host. So I'm going to type in docker ps. So these are the ones running. I've got two running. Now I've got other containers that I created, they're just not running. So to see that, I'm going to do docker ps -a. So these are all the containers that are on there. And if I scroll over, I can see the details. You know, the ports, port 81 is going to port 80 on the container, and the container name here. So let's say I want to stop one of these containers that's running. So these two up here are the ones that are running. Scroll over, I can see this container. All right, let's stop this container, the one that is translating port 80 to port 80 on the container. So I'm going to type in docker stop, and let's just grab the container ID. And it'll go ahead and stop it. And we can take a look and see we only have one container running. We actually can go over to another server and confirm that it's stopped. So here we are on another server. If I go to 192.168.6.111, we can see nothing comes back. That's because we stopped it. Now let's start it back up. So I'll type in docker start and then the ID. It's going to start it back up. Okay, it started. Now let's go back over to our other server and we should be able to access the website. Alright, I'll go ahead and hit refresh. And there it is. It's back up. So you can see, you know, much faster than starting and stopping a virtual machine. We're not shutting down a complete operating system, booting a complete operating system up. It's more like starting a process and stopping a process. Now again, let me just clear this out. Let's type in docker ps -a so we can see all the containers. Let's say we want to remove one of these containers here, this container. I know I don't need it anymore. I'm going to type in docker rm -f and then the container ID. I could do the name of the container as well from over here, so either one will work. And we can take a look at it, make sure it's gone, and it's gone.